I'm Christophe from Chato Lufsen brand. I'm Parisian and I create Chato Lufsen in 2017. When I was 25 or 26, I discovered Arnys and I was very obsessed by this brand. I have subscription of Monsieur magazine until period my 20 or my 23, and each time I receive it, I see a lot of publication from Arnys, some advertisements sometime, and I was very impressed of the quality of the color of the model of this brand especially. I collect Arnys about 15 years. I beginning my brand 10 years ago, but I collect some Arnys item I think 5 years ago before. In the past I worked 15 years like engineer in the civil industry, civil construction. But I worked too much and it was very stressful, and I have little bit health problem. So I ask, when I had my health problem, I brain what I can do to be more not easy but more relaxed or more unstressful. So I decide to create my own business, and the thing I love the thing I love much is the fashion and the clothes. So I decide to create my clothes brand, and I have some idol in fashion industry, you know, like Ralph Lauren, like Giorgio Armani, like Karl Lagerfeld, and I decide why not to make not same company big like them, but to start a business and see what will happen, you know. In France, we say, je l'ai fait de manière un peu amateur, pour voir comment ça allait fonctionner, si ça allait fonctionner, s'il y avait un attrait pour ce que j'allais proposer, et puis after, wait and see. We say I like to say the style is nonchalant. You know, nonchalant is when you don't take care about what all the person thinks about you, about your stuff, about your look, about your clothes you wear. So I like to say that Chato Lufsen brand, it's a nonchalant brand, you know, because you wear for you, only for you, and you don't take care about what the person thinks, you know. If you see this jacket of the forestier, you know, you see you wear a jacket, it's informal, but if you wear like with tie, with a very nice shirt, with a great pants, it looks like a classic jacket. But in the weekend you can wear with a polo, with a t-shirt, and the jacket look like completely different. Thank you. Thank you.